Hi everyone, welcome back. Your Facebook app has permission to your camera roll and use photos you have never even posted. Meta uses your photos to generate AI features. Most people have no idea this setting even exists. Let me show you where it is before Meta starts using your photos. Open the Facebook app, tap your profile, go to Settings. First, look for camera roll sharing suggestions. And if you see color processing turned on, switch it off. This feature is designed to create AI-generated suggestions like collages, edits, and other creative ideas using photos from your camera roll. That means pictures you haven't posted yet can be uploaded to Meta servers if you choose to use this feature. If you don't want that, then it's better to keep it off. There is one more setting you should check right now. Close the Facebook app. Now press and hold the app icon. Tap Info. Here, go to Permissions. Open Photos and Videos. If your phone gives you the option, choose Limited Access instead of allowing access to your entire library. That way, Facebook only sees the photos you actually want to upload. If you rarely upload pictures through Facebook, you can even remove photo access completely and only allow it when you need it. That's why I recommend to review your app permissions every once in a while. It only takes a minute, but it puts you back in control of your privacy. If this video really helped you, like it and subscribe for more privacy and security tips. Thanks for watching.